How you doing? This is Derek with Woodworking. Today I'm going to be reviewing this new base camp mask that I just got in. So let's open it up and check out what it comes with. This is the kit. So not only does it come with the mask, it also comes with plenty of replacement filters, which is really nice. I believe it comes with at least like 6. Looks like 6 in there. So this is the new design. They call it the L-shaped design. Instead of the old design, which just goes around your ears, it comes forward. This actually has a strap that goes up and also down, which is kind of nice. Especially, you know, because the other would kind of shift down. This kind of holds it up. One of the really nice features of this too is it has this really nice nose clamp that you can kind of bend if you want it tighter or a little looser. This blocks the air from going up if you're wearing safety glasses or just regular glasses. So that's another really nice feature of this mask. Now, they say that the life of the filters is around 20 to 30 hours if you're in really heavy dust. I will say that's pretty accurate. I've been wearing it for a few days straight here in the shop while we've been doing some cabinet building and some sanding. I have not replaced it yet. It hasn't been that heavy of dust, mainly because we're also using the Festool in here. So it hasn't been super dusty. I haven't needed to replace the filter yet, but let's dive into this and let's try it on. I may have a little smaller of a head, I guess. I have the strap all the way tight, and it fits perfectly. So if you have a really, really small head, you might struggle a little bit. You might have to just kind of, you know, tighten the strap a little bit more in a different way, but let's try it on. So you have the top strap that goes up, and then this, which wraps around your neck. It's actually got padding on it, so it has some good comfort to it. I think that was a little tight. Pretty easy to adjust. And I don't feel any air coming up. If I was wearing glasses or anything like that. You can hear the filters working as you blow out. But yeah, it's pretty comfortable. It'll still allow me to wear ear protection, safety glasses, all of that. Definitely say it's pretty comfortable. It's not bad wearing all day. You know, like the old ones with the thin like rubber band around your head that gets really annoying after a while. I can say that this definitely is a lot more comfortable than that. It also lasts longer. Obviously, the other ones are kind of disposable, you know, so it's nice that you can have the extra carbon filters to replace it with. And yeah, so altogether, I'd say this is definitely worth the money. You know, especially if you're going to be doing like spraying, stuff like that, or just wearing all day in the wood shop. So it's good for about 20 to 30 hours for heavy dust, but then it's about 30 to 40 in like light dust conditions, and about 50 to 60 for like continuous odors and stuff like that. So altogether, I would definitely recommend you pick one of these up. You can go to BC Masks. You can go to their website. You can use my discount code, which is Dellin Woodworking with a space in between. It'll get you 10% off. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of these.